Welcome to today's presentation on the Collision Sentry Corner Pro, the collision warning system designed to create a safer working environment. In any industrial setting, there are corners or intersections where visibility is reduced or very restricted. These are called blind corners, and they're a prime spot for accidents, especially in situations where pedestrian and forklift traffic cross paths. The Collision Sentry Corner Pro works to prevent these accidents using infrared motion sensors to see around the corner. When motion is detected on both sides of the blind corner, creating conditions for a possible collision, the device sends a synchronized audio and visual alert to warn of approaching traffic. With a detection zone of up to about 25 feet or 8 meters in each direction of the corner, the warning is sent in ample time to take corrective action. The product ships with the audio warning set at the highest volume, but depending on your preference or the situation, can be adjusted. There are two ways to adjust the volume: high or low, and on or off. Instructions and diagrams on how to make these adjustments are included. Notice the shape of the Collision Sentry Corner Pro. The angles on each side optimize the positioning of the lights and diffusing lenses, concentrating the light's intensity. The brightness of the light is comparable to a car's taillight. This design also enhances the visibility of the alarms. The easier to see, the more time to avert an accident. Self-powered, it operates on the 3 D-cell batteries included. There's no need for costly wiring or additional electric. To activate, just pull out the plastic tab on the front and it's ready to go. The lights will blink as the device adjusts to the environment. Battery life depends on usage, but estimates point to a minimum of 12 months. When battery voltage drops below a specific level, a blue light on the front of the unit flashes and sounds to indicate the low battery. Changing the batteries is a simple process. First, remove the door on the front of the device. Insert the new batteries in the same orientation as the originals. Reinstall the door and the unit is ready to use. That's it. Note, even when the low battery light activates, the Collision Sentry Corner Pro continues to function for a short period of time. The recessed magnets on the back make it easy to snap the Collision Sentry Corner Pro onto a metallic corner or rack upright and maintain a secure, tight fit. Use the integrated mounting points for mounting the unit to non-magnetic surfaces. Optimal height for installation on the upright is 7 to 9 feet, or about 2.5 meters. The integrated mounting points are also used with the nylon tether included with each unit. The tether provides extra security when mounting the units using the magnets. Using the tether is optional, but recommended. Self-powered, preset, ready to use, easy to install, and always on guard. Adding Collision Sentry Corner Pro as part of a comprehensive safety program helps protect people from injury, prevents damage to equipment, and damage to the facility. Thanks for joining us today. For additional product details, photos, or videos of the Collision Sentry Corner Pro, visit our website at www.sentrypro.com.